Hi guys, my name is Jackie and this is my first video on YouTube. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY basket, like Halloween type of goodie basket thing. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that for my boyfriend and I'm going to take you guys along, and I was like, what better way to do it as my first video, to also show people what they can do. And yeah, I went to Target and as you guys can see, I got a couple of things. Actually no. Oh, I didn't get him this though. Okay, so the first thing I got him was, I don't even know where to start. Okay, I'll start with the socks. So I got him some socks because, everyone loves socks. I mean, I love socks. To see any Halloween socks, like any like Halloween themes. So I just got him these, and these don't have anything to do with Halloween, but I was like, why not get him socks? Get him. Daniel! Come here. Okay. Anyway, so I got the Oreos as well because he's been craving them, and plus they just went with the theme. So I was like, why not? So the second thing I got, well, the third thing I got was pens because he really likes these type of things. Then I got him this little dollar thing. I got goldfish. Why not? What are these called? Oh, candy corn. Then I got slime because it was orange. I got him a book that is called Me Without You. Okay, this is gonna be pretty disgusting, but I'm gonna trick him. I got him these like two cricket that taste like bacon and cheese, and they look like this. So hopefully he likes them. It's supposed to be a joke, so I'm pretty sure like he'd be disgusted by it. And original worm snacks, and these taste like barbecue. Oh, it's like a necklace, but I plan on putting it on the basket. The next thing I got was a bean boozled jelly bean thing. Got a card that just says boo because he's obsessed with dogs. I got him a pumpkin because without a pumpkin there wouldn't be like any theme to it. So yeah, he'll probably throw this. It doesn't really even look like a pumpkin. This is. Then I got him a candle, which smells really good. Okay, so the next thing I got was worms because he loves these, especially the octopus ones, but they never have them at Target, so I can't rely on Target for that. Then I got a jar, which I will be putting in some candy in here. These milk duds. Kit Kats and some Tic Tacs. Get it? I got a little mason jar, and the last thing I got were M&Ms, but in the minis. Okay, so this wasn't originally going to be the basket because he has one already that's similar, which is gray, but like when I was walking through Target and stuff, I was like, oh my god, I need to put all these stuff, because I was like holding it and it was like about to fall because I didn't have the cart with me. I was just like, oh, I guess I'll get that one. And it pretty much goes with it. I'm pretty sure everything will fit. I got some spooky web thing to put. I'm like adding everything into it, just kind of putting everything. These are like, oh, they look so disgusting. I'm just gonna put those there to kind of scare him. Look, they look so cute. Filling them up, I'm kind of just eating the candy, but it looks so cute. Finished look is like this. Really basic. Of putting like spooky on the basket. I'm trying to like burn the paper so I can kind of make it like old and like that, and it just got everywhere in my room. So but I'm gonna end up fixing it, but this is how it looks like. I think it came out pretty cute. I'm not the best artist, as you guys can see, but I just kind of burned it a little bit. I probably will tomorrow as well. But yeah. Okay. I have to blindfold you, okay? Okay. No. No, stop. Dude. Stop. Stop.
Is it on?
No. Can you see anything?
Not if I open my eyes. I mean,
Okay. Actually, close them, please.
Alright.
Okay, come on. Okay. Okay. Where are you? Why are you going over there?
I'm kind of lost. don't know my surroundings. Wait, let me feel something.
This is your room.
So I know where I'm at. Okay, I know where I'm at.
It's just a little something. Wait. Don't look. Oh my gosh. Okay, you can look now.
This is a little guy.
Do you like it?
Dude. Wait. What? That's actually perfect.
Oh my god.
This happened yesterday. What?
It's just a little something. It's a spooky basket. Look. And then look.
Are these from your school?
No. I was gonna get you.
Ew, no! No! Who buys flavored crickets? No! Ew! No! What?
I know you like the fence.
How did you know?
Because I know you.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
What? Is this slime?
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
I got you a candle.
Okay, it's my first candle ever.
I knew it. You better eat these though.
No.
You know, you have to.
No, because look.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go, baby.
Look, I got him worms like from like a year ago, and he still has them in the jar.
Hey, you should have got me octopus though.
I know, but they don't have them. See, I told you guys. What did I tell you?
I don't care, I still like it. What is this?
It's a pumpkin.
What? You put a sock in my basket? Hey, put that one in the middle.
No, you have to. Oh, look.
Ew, you can actually taste it.
Oh my god, you can't.
It's kind of weird.
No, you have to eat them.
Right now?
No, like.
Oh,
you
yeah,
just-
for sure.
Okay,
I'm not gonna eat them.
babe.
Okay. Wait.
No.
Hey.
No. Told you guys. He wanted his Oreos. And he wanted his cookies. And yeah. Oh! I'm so mad.
You kind of...
Stop!
Shut up.
Didn't turn on the lights.
What were you doing when I was outside?
I was here the whole time.
Oh.
Look, I burnt it too.
You did?
Yes, I almost burnt my house down.
Bro,
too.
what? Oh, this is what you were doing?
Yes, and you were sleeping. I was FaceTiming
Hey,
him and he
kinda
was
dope,
sleeping. Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to.
Okay.
It's personal.
Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed our video. This literally can be for anyone, and you could just have a gift basket for anyone, or just like a little spooky.
And a surprise.
Yeah. He wasn't expecting it. It was just so random.
Um,
You were not expecting it.
I wasn't
Yeah.
expecting it.
All right. Bye, guys.